Coming soon, the ultimate multiple offer tips and tricks. Shortly, I will be discussing with you a few tips and tricks when you're dealing with multiple offers. A complete detailed list will be provided for you in the description box below. Here we go, multiple offer tips. Here are a few suggestions. I will be providing you with a more detailed list in the description box. First, hire the right buyer specialist agent that's going to work for you and not the seller. Next, offer the absolute highest price at an odd number. Instead of $550, offer $557,777. This will make your offer stand out from other offers. Next, use an escalation clause. This will allow your buyer to go to his absolute max and still have the ability to go up in price. Next, consider a for sale by owner property. You will have less competition and those sellers will not know the market conditions and the climate. Next, offer strong earnest money. 2% or more would be considered strong earnest money. Next, have all your financial documents readily available. Eliminate the seller's fear by having a very strong pre-approval letter. Next, if you're paying cash or putting a large sum down, provide proof of funds and evidence that you have the cash, either with a bank statement or a letter from your bank. Next, order your property appraisal as soon as possible. You can even write it in the offer that you'll order this within 3 to 5 business days of mutual acceptance. Next, make your offer super clean with very few contingencies. And last, be super flexible with your offer. Ask the seller besides price what's important to them. It may be possession or it could be multiple other things to make your offer stronger, so be flexible with your offer. Thanks again for watching my video series. This is Ken Mucha with Team Bertola High Desert Realty coming to you from beautiful Bend, Oregon. For more free real estate tips, simply follow me on my Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook accounts. Thanks again for watching. Have an awesome day.